Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys. 20 week having a Ford C-Max, and if you need to remove or replace windshield spray nozzle, it's leaking, not working, not spraying correctly, stay with us. We'll explain step by step how to do that in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So what do we need to do? We need to open the hood guys on that Ford C-Max. It should work on the Ford C-Max generation from year 2012 to year 2019. Let's say the nozzles do not work guys. What do you need to do to replace it? Sometimes they'll break here, or they'll be leaking, or they'll be plugged up, and you will need to replace it. First, okay, we'll need to disconnect it. So grab it, okay, turn the, okay, you need to turn the hose. Okay, it may be stuck a little bit. Okay, if that's the case, I'll show you what we can do here. We're going to go ahead and remove that ring here. Okay, that ring will come up, and now we can remove the nozzle like that. So later we can disconnect it and we don't break things. Here you have two teeth that all we need to do is squish towards each other. You can do one and then the other one and pull towards the outside. Now I'll come catch it from here, check it out, pull it out, and now right here guys, that's your windshield spray nozzle. If it doesn't come with the hose right here, all we have to do practically just turn, okay, and okay, pull this one out, okay, if you need to, but most of them, okay, will come with a new hose guys. So that's how you guys do it. Pretty simple, right? Putting it together practically in reverse order that we took it apart. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.